Yay! Trading View. Still looking good, guys. I'm having fun with the options. Joining you guys in the 21st century, man. Feel like a dinosaur with my interactive broker software. Man, you get used to something, but I really needed the Mansfield indicator. If you want to do Stan, you really need the Mansfield indicator for that triple confirmation. I'm going through all my previous podcasts, and sometimes when I do it with now Trading View with the Mansfield indicator, I'm like, well, look, trading frameworks. If you have risk and money management, you can't go wrong. But if you want to increase your chances of having those exceptional winners that Stan's always looking for, the ones that rise above the rest, you could have a stage 2 breakout. But if the Mansfield indicator telling you that you're above the zero line, outperforming your index, then you're going to get 40-50% winners instead of 5 or 15, and that's probably the issue that I had. So if I had the Mansfield back then, some of those analysis could have been different. I always preach risk and money management, so go back to that, guys. My classical trading framework, chart trading framework, doesn't have any Mansfield. It's pure charts. There's a lot of overlaps. Results could be the same. They could end up being the same. But if you want to be true in the spirit of Stan Weinstein, you got to go full Stan, man, and use the Mansfield. All right. Let's start by setting the monthly trend. And look at that. Ooh. Here we go. I'm going to start by identifying my monthly define resistance, support. My monthly define. Oh, what's happening here, guys? Okay, this is cdmo, Avid Biosciences on the NASDAQ, guys. Did not mention that. Super important, or it's not, right? It's a chart. After that, if the parameters are good, then we enter or not. So check it out. Here's the monthly. Here is, there's even another. So right here, if I be doing my classic chart trading framework, I'd have, this would be my copy. This is my target. Whoa! All right, there you go. So it's my target right here. So if you have a monthly candle close above 509, then the measured move can bring me all the way up here to 768, right up in that congestion zone. Previous support, turn resistance right here. So my target, I could expect some congestion right here about this level. So if I do my classic chart trading framework, I would actually lower my target to have a closer target, more probable of reaching my target right there. But right now, this is what we're going to look at, the 505 level. We want a monthly candle close. So we're halfway through July. If we have a monthly close above that, then we know that this is the base and the trend's going to keep going up and up. But on the weekly, guys, remember these are months. So we're going to go zoom in on the weekly. We're probably in a stage 2 already, or really close to it. So let's zoom in. Whoa. Weekly. Activate. This is what it looks like on the weekly, guys. You see all these all this price action above that 509 level, above that monthly defined breakout. That's noise. All this is noise. 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 This could be noise, but we have to see where the price action is going to close. If it closes below, we're just going to have a wick, and I would do this. False breakout. But right now, we have to wait. What do we need? 30-week moving average. Oh, wait. What do we need? 30-week moving average. Whoa, there it is. It's trying to go upwards. What do we need? Volume indicator. Whoa, here it is. Whoa, that looks like twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. Or close to it. What else do we need? Mansfield. Oh yeah, so nice. And what's cool about this Mansfield indicator is it detects, it looks for 3 criterias. 30-week moving average going upwards, price action above the 30-week moving average, and you're above 0 on the Mansfield indicator. See NASDAQ? My stock is in NASDAQ. I'm against protecting that index. And if it's that, it's green, and that's for hit. It's like a buy signal. But we're going to go one step further. We're going to do it the full Stanway. We're going to make sure that before we get the buy signal, we have double the volume of the previous 4 weeks. We're going to do another step further than that. We're going to have the Ichimoku cloud and make sure we're above that red cloud, downtrend red cloud. Make sure we're above any red cloud. If we're above that, then we're good. And we have the monthly. So we have those 2 additional checks to make sure we get that A++++. And that's how we want to identify those exceptional winners, guys. Avoid having small winners, small losers. And when you choose, you have winners, exceptional winners. And that's something I'm starting to do. I used to look at my winners and try to find reasons to exit. Oh, but I just cut myself short, and you can never get exceptional winners that last 1-2 years, those Netflix, those Amazons, those Apples. If you're always there and looking for a reason out on the pullback, etc., what you should do is you should cut your losers faster. So the losers usually is at the beginning. You didn't choose an A++ setup, or sometimes it just doesn't pan out, or you went in the stock for the wrong reasons. And if you see those losers that pullbacks on unhealthy volume, crescendo volume on the pullbacks, and if they're just not taking off, you could remove the risk from there, close those positions, and add them to your winners, guys. Those exceptional winners, when the opportunity comes on them, they have continuation breakouts, you add there, move the risk towards those. Or find new A+++ setups that are better than the ones you have. So if you have a stock, you realize that was some tip from some waiter, and then you don't have to stick. Okay, I bought it. It was impulsive, but the important is to learn and just say, oh, okay, that's it. I shouldn't be in here. I know it's gaining, it's going up a little bit, or it's going down. But if the criteria of your framework weren't respected, that's when you do a mistake. Not when the price goes up or down. It's when you don't respect your framework. Okay, Patrick, so much talking. Whoa. Remove. Okay, just do this. Oh, all right. So here we go, guys. He's identified the Mansfield going up above halfway territory here. It's not green yet. Why? Because the 30-week average is still going down. Now 30-week average is going up. Check. It's green, guys. What about us? We're above any red cloud. We went through some greenish cloud here. We're up. We're above. We're good. We have that volume. Oh, I love it. Volume here. Above the cloud. Man, this looks like a good winner, guys. This looks like a classic stand. It had some embryonic, what I call embryonic breakouts here. Twice the average volume of the previous 4 weeks. Small base here. 2 step up, pull back on small volume. More crazy volume here. That candle, twice the average volume, pull back on small volume. Another breakout candle. Pull back on small volume. Ooh, this one wasn't nice. So need a little more time to marinate. And all this below 30 moving average. Remember, Stan, if the 30 moving average is flat or declining, do not enter. And that's what's great about this visually indicator. I love visual, very visual. So the Ichimoku cloud, it really relates to me. And this green overlay really speaks out. It's just not the Mansfield above zero. Is the 30 moving average going upwards. Very, very important. And is the price action above the 30 moving average. So right now we have those criterias. It looks very good for cdmo. I think we could you could wait for the end of the week and see where this closes. You have some weekly defined resistance right here. There, if you could close above these levels here, get back to the higher wick, that'd be even healthier. After that, what's gonna happen? It's the breakout right here. It's right here. Could have a pullback eventually off that 509 level. Maybe get back down to it, and then go back up if the volume goes down, and then up with us. Definitely keep an eye on this one. For me, I would like to wait for that monthly candle close above 510. See how this plays out here. That wick, the price action getting sucked back in. Where tomorrow's going to be Wednesday, it's Tuesday. I just want to see how that closes. This could be I like when I buy and it's a Marubozu candle there. When it closes to the top, I like it. That means the pressure was full high. There's no selling to go under, no resistance yet. The supply, the demand was rushing through it. Oh, I'm just going to wait for that. But check out that. Remember that level 510 monthly candle close. But you have the volume. You have the Mansfield, which is telling you to buy. You have it's a triply confirmed Stan Weinstein breakout. The way it is right now, it's triply confirmed. It's Ichimoku. It's quadruple confirmed, the Ichimoku cloud. And if you want a synctuple confirmed with the monthly, the higher trend, just have to wait a few more weeks. It's all to you. All right, guys. Thanks. See ya. Ciao.